And that guy is 8002 2651. DPU 8900. DPU, all right. I've been getting a lot of DPUs lately. Hey, if anybody out there is watching, I've noticed Canada National does not have these certain box cars on here anymore. Now, I know I used to get some when and stuff, but they don't do them anymore. There's these certain white box cars. I can't think of the names of them. Why don't they carry them anymore? Why don't they transport these box cars? If you know what I'm talking about. The Northern Burlington, and I think another one. I can't think of the other name. If somebody knows why they don't do them anymore, let me know in the comment box. Just curious, why don't they transport those boxcars? Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up on this train video? Hit that hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. Also, leave comments. I'd like to know where you're watching me from out there. Just curious. And what did you think about this train video? But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Take care.